tekau ngā kaiwhakawā Māori o tāna. Rua tekau ngā kaiwhakawā o kānata. Tekau Māori mapea ngā mea o ahi te reiria. E ke no. Nō reira, ko taiki te wā, ko taiki te me pēnea, ko taiki te tipping points. Ne? Ko nawhi mātou, kia whakatūngia e mātou tō mātou ake rōpū. O te ao.
So we as Indigenous people in Canada, we're approximately 5% of the Canadian population. However, 32% of our men and close to 50% of our women are incarcerated, really high rates when you think we're 5% of the population. When I looked at the statistics here in New Zealand, there's a similarity where Indigenous people, the Māori, are approximately 17% of your population and 50% of the incarceration rates. So there is unfortunately that similarity. It's not a good one. And it's something that in Canada, we're working hard with different social services and looking at how we could use Indigenous sentencing principles in a different way.